Want to stop Otter.ai from automatically transcribing your Google Calendar meetings? Here's how to disconnect them and halt the syncing process. Disconnecting involves two key steps: revoking Otter.ai's access within the Otter.ai app and then revoking access within your Google account settings. By completing both steps, you'll ensure that Otter.ai can no longer access your calendar data for transcription purposes. Don't worry, disconnecting won't delete any existing transcripts, but it will prevent new events from being synced and transcribed automatically. Here's how to fully disconnect Otter.ai from your Google Calendar. Step 1. Within Otter.ai, go to Settings, then Integrations, and find Google Calendar. Click Disconnect. This stops Otter.ai from requesting new calendar data. Step 2. Now go to your Google account security settings and find third-party apps with account access. Locate Otter.ai and select Remove Access. This revokes Otter.ai's permission to access your calendar data on the Google side. Important: failing to complete both steps might result in Otter.ai continuing to attempt syncing, even if it can't fully access the data. After these steps, verify disconnection by checking that no new meetings are appearing in Otter.ai. If you encounter any issues, ensure your Google account's app permissions are up to date and retry the disconnection process. Consider disconnecting annually for privacy reasons, as many users do.